Hello everyone, welcome to Mana Trends. In this video, we are sharing simple and creative landscape gardening ideas to transform your outdoor space into a beautiful and peaceful area. We have worked very hard to bring you these ideas, hoping they inspire you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mana Trends for more easy home implement tips. Start with small flower clusters in different areas of your garden. Group flowers by color for a cheerful look, or mix them for a natural wildflower feel. Use easy to grow flowers like daisies or lavender to keep it simple. Add gardening edging to separate spaces. You can use bricks, stones, or even logs to create clear lines between grass, flower beds, and pathways. This makes your garden look clean and organized. Consider adding container plants for flexibility. Use pots of different sizes and colors to grow plants or flowers. You can move them around to change the look of your garden whenever you like. Create a small vegetable or herb garden in one corner. Growing tomatoes, mint, or basil is easy and adds freshness to your meals. A small patch or raised bed is perfect for this idea. Use natural materials like bamboo or wooden fences to add charm. These materials blend well with plants and give your garden a warm and cozy feel. Add paths or walkways to your garden using stones, gravel, or wooden planks. Curved paths make the garden more interesting. You can decorate the edges with small plants or lights to make it look even better. Enjoy soothing music in the background as we show ideas like small vertical gardens, raised plant boxes, and garden seating areas. Let the music inspire you while you plan your garden. Thank you for watching. We hope these landscape gardening ideas inspire you to create a beautiful and relaxing outdoor space. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mana Trends for more simple and creative home design ideas. Let us know in the comments which idea you like best or suggest topics you'd like us to cover.